Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Chevrolet Sonic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.